Welcome to the SAP Scooter Show. Today we present you the Urban's flagship model, the Urban Hamburg. The Urban is a trademark of Vorarlberg Urban Electrics. There are two brands, Egret and the Urban. They have been in business for a relatively long time and are developed in Germany. And this model is the flagship of the Urban. And why? That's what we'll find out for you now. Let's take a look at the Urban Hamburg suspension. That's what matters. Here, these are comfort-oriented e-scooters, so let's see what he has to offer. Suspension? None. Why not? It has 2-inch air-filled wheels. They are relatively wide and they usually are strong enough to overcome any obstacle on the street. We have cleanly mounted feathers here. Everything is tight. There's nothing loose. We'll proceed. We also have LEDs in the back, and for delay, there are 2 disc brakes, front and rear, respectively mechanical, which work great. And that's kind of the base which we stand on, which makes the whole thing comfortable. This beauty is motorized with a 350 watt motor that gets up to 650 watt at the top, a 10.4 ampere-hours battery. It takes about 6 hours to be fully charged, and the range is about 30 kilometers. About the light. In Germany, all e-scooters must be equipped with a light. In the rear area we have LED lighting that is fed by the onboard electronics. In the front, it's a bit of a shame we have a removable part here. So you need an extra accumulator or you have to insert batteries in addition. Let's take a look at the cockpit of the Urban Hamburg. First, you can see that everything is made of a very high quality. We have ergonomic handles. Then we have the front brake on the right side, on the left is the rear brake. Here we have the display. You can set different levels for different speeds. It's a casual LCD display, which shows once the battery level and another a daily odometer. What is special for the Urban and Egret models is the index finger throttle grip. You gotta get used to it first, but after a while you should be more than fine. A signal bell is integrated. And what I personally like at these models is the folding mechanism, which we have up here. By the way, you can fold it in shape, so you also have to lower the handlebar. We have 20 centimeters difference in adjustability here. Then there are 2 magnetic closures here, which you can easily pull out, and then you can fold it. There are similar mechanisms, but it's often the case that they are poor quality. And then there is a clearance, which is uncomfortable to steer, but with the Egret and the Urban it is really processed well and the magnet mechanism works great. And so the front structure feels nice and stable. The second folding mechanism from the Urban Hamburg is here in the middle section, how it usually is. It consists of 2 levers. The first releases the actual mechanism. And if I press here now, the whole thing folds up. And listen carefully. Now it's locked, and now I can just take it up here and carry it wherever I want to go. Cool detail. We have an additional bracket on the frame, which has an opening that is well attached. There the lock can be pulled through easily. Many have already asked us, how am I supposed to lock my e-scooter? Here it is solved. Top. Our conclusion about the Urban Hamburg. High quality part, also the details, well processed, comfortable, 30 kilometers range, so you won't do much wrong. It's less than 1,000 euros. With 17 kg, it's quite heavily to carry it up and down constantly. But our conclusion? Good device. If you liked it, feel free to click on our info card and visit our shop. There you can see more pictures, technical details, everything you need to know as background information. Otherwise, we look forward to comments and we'll see you next time. Many of you don't know, we work here under almost unhuman conditions. And even if you would take a look at the things around here, then you would see what's happening. For example, that's Fabi. He's sleeping right now. So, psst, be a little quiet while shooting videos. Yes, it's very important.